Hey guys, so I'm back with another video to show you how to connect your membership site, if you've already built one in GrooveFunnels, to your payment page. So if you have a membership site that you would like to sell and collect payment, well, you can actually do that with GrooveFunnels, and everything happens within GrooveFunnels. So you don't need a Teachables program or any other program. It's all in GrooveFunnels. So if you want to learn how to set up a membership site with GrooveFunnels, I have a separate video showing you how to do that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up that payment form to collect payment before they get immediate access to your membership site. Now, if you wanted to give this membership site away for free, you can also use this method. All you have to do is just put $0 on it, as opposed to actually charging an amount. Now, if you put $0, the actual sales page won't actually ask for any payment details at all. So they won't have to put any credit card details, okay? But in this one, I'm going to be showing you how to actually put a number in there, but you can put 0 if it's free. All right, so let's just get started. Now, I am going to, let's use a particular site, such as this one here. So I'm going to clone a site. All right, guys, so I've cloned the funnel that I wanted. I'm going to open the editor. And you'll see that this particular funnel here was originally linked to a pop-up form. Okay, there you go. It's a pop-up form, meaning when I click onto that, a pop-up form, just like this one, will pop up. Okay, where you put your name and email, and it gets collected by MailChimp. Okay, so I have a separate video where I show you how to set up a pop-up form to collect your email and name of your customers or your lead to your MailChimp. So go and watch that video if you'd like to find out how to do pop-up. Now, let's just say you want to do more for your customers. Instead of just collecting their name and email, as well as collecting their name and email, you also want them to give them immediate access to a free membership site or a paid membership site if they're paying, or for pre-training. All right, so I'm going to use this funnel and I'm going to relink it to an actual sales page. So in order to link it to a sales page, you obviously need to create a sales page. So to do that, you're going to press onto the pages on the left, then press the plus sign, and we are going to find a template, what I call a simple payment template, which is right at the end, right here, called minimal checkout template. And I'm going to select this one here. Okay. All right, so we're here on this template. I'm going to clean it up by deleting things I do not need and keeping it simple. Now, I'm not going to change anything in here. You can actually put your own text in here, put your own graphics if you like, and then put your own picture in there, and then put your own text up there as well. So that's up to you, right? That's the beauty of using a pre-built template, and anything else you don't need at the bottom, you can delete it. So what I would like to do is to actually do a form here that once your customer has put in the name and email, they get access, just like so, a free access to my membership site. So to do that, I have to first create this form. Now, this form is actually sitting in GrooveCell. So we're going to come back to this one. But before I do that, let's rename our pages, okay? So I'm going to move this up to here because the landing page is this one here. And once they click onto that, I want them to be into this page. So I'm going to rename this page and call it, sales page, and press the tick button to save. And then once they've put in their name and email to get access to a membership site, I want them then to go to my thank you page, which looks like this. Okay, so I've got all the naming convention right, and I'm going to come back later. So what I'm going to do is I want to click onto this, the 9 dots, and I'm going to go to GrooveCell. That's where I'm going to create the form. Okay. All right, so now we are in GrooveCell, and what you need to do is to go to Product Funnels on the left, click onto that. Then you are going to go to Product Funnels, which is in this dashboard. Now you can see I've got a lot of products in there already. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new product, just like that. And I'm going to call it I'm going to call it demo product. Let's call it demo pre-training. Okay, demo pre-training. And I'm going to charge, let's just say I want to charge $1. Okay, I've done a previous video where you did a free membership, but in this video, I'm going to charge, let's just say $10. Just get special price membership. Okay, so let's just call it that. I'm going to copy and paste into there, and I'm going to leave it as USD. You can choose your currency. Then I'm going to unselect, I don't want to show in the marketplace, create the product funnel. It's going to do some thinking. Okay, now you can see it's yellow. It means you're going to do something. So what we're going to do is to press onto that yellow button, and we're going to follow the steps from left to right. So what is the step from left to right? I'm going to continue to name this consistently, called special price membership. I am going to have a front-end product. I'm going to ignore upsell and downsell for the moment. Save and next. Pricing. I'm going to get rid of this number 1. I'm just going to have one product name. And I'm going to have it as a one-time payment of $10. Okay. $10. And look, you can put $0 just like that if you are actually giving it away for free. But in this case, I want to put $10 because I've actually done a video similar to this one where I put $0. All right, so let's go. Then we're going to go with save and next. Now, if you are doing a free membership, this is the exact same steps except put $0 in there. And it's worthwhile to go watch my other videos because there are a few mistakes that I made in that video that would probably be the same mistakes that you're making where you are stuck at that could actually help you get unstuck. Now, payment gateway. Payment gateway, if it's free, you leave this, okay? But if it's not free, you need to offer them a way to pay it, right? So what I'm going to do is I would want if it's Stripe, so if PayPal, then you just follow the PayPal instructions to do that. If it's credit card or GrooveSell payment, okay? And you can set up an ad. So you got to first set it up. So set up gateway right here, and you got to add payment gateway. Now I have another video already that I go into deep detail how to set up a payment gateway. So I'm not going to go into detail here, but you can go and watch that YouTube video how I actually set up my Stripe account in here. So you can see that I've already set it up. So I want to go back to payment gateway. I'm going to collect credit card. I'm then going to add Stripe Davina, like so. And this 100 basically means is 100%. So if you want to go 50% credit card and 50% PayPal, you could do that. But in this case, I just want to keep it simple. And I'm going to take all payments through Stripe, credit card, 100%. Okay. And you have to make sure you add up to 100 as well, which means 100%. Then we go save and next. Then sales page. So what is the sales page? So sales page, you will need to go back to your Groove page. Okay, so let me go back there. All right, guys, so I'm back at the page where I create that new sales page, and I need to grab the URL of my sales page. Now, to grab the URL, I'll first have to publish this page live, okay? So in this case, I'm just going to publish it to my subdomain in Groove, and I'm going to call this demo special. All right, like so. And this is the name of the URL. I'm going to click that. It's probably not going to show because it takes some time, but that's okay. You can still grab this URL right here. And once you grab that, you go back into your product and you're going to put it, you can put in sales page like that. Then you go to thank you page and you're going to grab the thank you page. Go to pages, thank you page. Yep, and you're going to press onto that blue URL and it should appear. Now copy. I'm going to put in the thank you URL like that. Ignore refund, ignore support info, save and next. Checkout, form fields. Look, you can collect as many information as you like. I like to keep it simple and like so. Express checkout, yes, that's what I want. Everything else, I'm going to leave it. Then save and next. I'm not doing any order bumps, so save and next. funnel, thank you page. Yep, that's what I want. I don't want to upsell anything, so it's just going to go straight to the thank you page after the sales page. And then I'm going to save and next. Okay, and then in here, as a side note, is where you actually do two things in fulfillment. Okay, so pay attention. So this is where you actually link your membership site. So what this form is saying that once they've paid this $10, you're going to add membership site and select which one they can get access to. I'm going to say this one here, and I give them a platinum access. So you can set different access level in a membership. So there it is. So once they check out this form, they're going to get immediate access to your membership site, right? Then the next thing that you could do in this fulfillment tab is your integration. Now, your integration is where you collect your MailChimp. So what you can do is go add integration, MailChimp, okay? And then think a bit. So my one is, let's just go there. And then the list name, it will pop up. So yours will be different depending on what your account name is with MailChimp, okay? So add the integration. Now, integration would have been done at the integration level. So if you don't know how to do an integration, go back and watch my video on how to set up MailChimp with GrooveFunnels. And I cover in detail how to set up MailChimp integration. Okay. So once you set up that MailChimp integration, you would be able to add this integration into here. So that in this fulfillment tab, what you're saying is you're telling GrooveFunnels that once they paid the $10, they're going to get immediate access into your membership site that you've said so here. And second thing is also going to send their contact straight to MailChimp. All right. Then what you go is to save and next. No affiliate. And if you wanted to add a proof widget, this is also where you do it, okay? So pay attention. Again, this is bonus to this membership site is to add a proof widget. What you need to do is to go create, and you're going to put the name of the widget and just call it proof membership, special membership, okay? And then you can go just purchase because it's a product, or if it's a free product and they've registered, you can just say just registered, okay? In this case, it's a purchase. I'm going to go just purchased, not GrooveFunnels, but just purchase membership, okay? Get unstuck. Like so, okay? Display, you can be every 2 seconds. How long should it stay? Maybe 2 seconds. How many contacts you want to display? How many different ones? Top, bottom. I want it bottom left, where it usually is for most people. And then the colors that you can choose. And that's it. Create. Okay. And there it is. And this proof widget are the ones that pops on the bottom left when someone buys something similar. And let me go on a side note. What do I mean by that is this. So you see on the bottom left, something pops up. All right. So that's what they call proof widget. Okay. And usually it will actually cost you around $170, something like that, US per year membership to do this on other funnels such as ClickFunnels, for example. But in GrooveFunnels, you're actually getting it for free as part of your membership with GrooveFunnels. All right. So this is actually a bonus and it doesn't cost you anything, right? And it's a really good one to have, and it actually increases conversion rate on people actually coming to your site. All right. So then we're going to save and next. And there it is. And so what you need to do is you actually need to copy and paste the proof widget into your funnel. So we can do that now. So copy. All right. And we are going to go back to your page like so. And we're going to go to elements and look for code embed. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it at the bottom. just like that. It's actually going to be invisible anyway. And I'm going to press onto this cog button here, and I'm going to paste the code in here, and I'm going to save. Okay, save it down, and that's all you need to do. You just have to put it into this front page. Actually, no. Good that I made this mistake, because it's actually not this page. You actually have to put it on your sales page. So let's delete this. You do not put it on your front landing page. My mistake. You put it on the sales page, the page where you're actually going to collect payment or no payment, but this is called the sales page. So scroll down once again, get your code embed, put it somewhere at the bottom, like so. And then you are going to put it like that and paste. Now, once you've done that, even though it's sitting on your sales page, this code will actually make your proof come out even on the other pages. So let me just save this down before I lose it. Now, this is on your sales page, but even though it's only on your sales page, it will show up even on this front page right here. Okay, so we're almost done. Okay, sorry, sidetracking, but this is pretty much done. Save and exit. So I've just shown you how to do a proof widget as well. So you can see here it's grayed out. What you need to do is go back into your product funnels, like so, and see how it says draft mode. We need to go make live. And once you made it live, you can just call it special membership, make funnel live. And after that, you're going to go back into manage products, and you can press on this one here and make it a one-step process. Let's go next. Okay, you're going to get this embed code here, right here, not this one, the one on the left, embed it into your own page. Grab the link. It's pretty long link, like that. Okay, see how it says USD $10? That's the one. Then go out. We're going to go back into this page here, and what we're going to do is going to delete this one here, and we're going to go to elements. We're going to go to grab your embed code embed, place it just like so. Okay, and then we're going to go to this cogwheel. We are going to paste that code that you've just grabbed and save, and you will see that something is about to happen. It's going to bring through the form that you've just created with $10 payment required. There we are. So let's just save that down. You can see here it's $10. Now it's going to be faint on a preview, but if you go to this preview here, that's what it looks like. There we are. So that's what it looks like. Name, first, last name, email, country, state. You can get rid of that. No, I think that's the minimum that Groove needs. It's country and state. $10, and they put in their credit card details. Now, if this was $0, if you went back to change your product and put it at $0, this credit card number will not appear, and it will actually go as get free access instead of complete purchase. All right. And once they've done this, it will automatically give them access to your Groove membership, which is right here. Content. So you can see here, I have a few memberships. So remember how we said we chose Get Unstuck Groove Training? So once that person actually fills in the form right here, they will actually get access, immediate access, because that's what you told it to do, to fulfill access, to give them access into this Get Unstuck Groove Training immediately, as opposed to you having to manually set it up. Just one last step before we finish is that once you set up your payment, like so, what you need to do is to make sure this register here button, if you press the pencil, you go to configure, that you make sure it actually links now to a page. And that page is your sales page right there. And update. Okay, so that when you go and publish this, okay, publish, And make sure you do it for this one as well, but I'm not going to do it here because I'm just really just illustrating it for you. And what you do is once you've done that, you click onto there. Hopefully it's updated. Click onto register. See how the pop-up button is still there? So you don't want it to go to the pop-up now. You actually want it to go to the sales page, right? So hopefully what you need to do, I'm going to open in new incognito. Okay, see what this works. Okay, when things don't work, what you need to do is go to open a new incognito window and do that. And then what you do is register here, and it will take you to this sales page that we just created, right? And you can see the payment page, it's coming up, and you put in your name, $10 paid, and then it will then take you as a next page to your thank you page right there. That's what you told Groove to do during your setup of your product, all right? And so that's really it. So as a last step, once you've set up your product and made it live, all you have to do is actually to go to register here. All right, hope that helps, guys. See you later. Bye.